What is n8n? Imagine you go grocery shopping every day, and it takes up a lot of your time. Maybe you wish you could automate the process so it somehow happens on its own, giving you time to do something else. One day, you think, I can send my son, he's old enough now. But you need to make sure he follows every step exactly the way you want. So you decide to structure this shopping flow in a clear and organized way so he knows exactly what to do at every moment. You draw it out on a piece of paper like this. At 10 a.m., stop whatever you're doing and start the shopping process. First, take the grocery list I'll leave on the fridge door. Then head to the supermarket. Once you're there, collect everything on the list. When you're done, if there are self-checkout machines, use them and pay by card. If there aren't, go to a regular cashier and pay in cash. If you don't have much time left, come straight home. But if it's still early, you can stop by Grandpa's to say hello before heading back. Oh, and let me know when you're done. Technically speaking, this is an automated workflow, and that's exactly what n8n does. It lets you visually structure any digital workflow that involves applications, online services, websites, remote accounts, and more. With n8n, you can create agents that work for you. And the best part is that building these agents is highly visual, intuitive, and even fun. Here's another quick example. Imagine a visitor fills out a form on your website. The moment they click Submit, the workflow triggers automatically. It takes their information, adds it to a spreadsheet, then sends them a personalized thank you email. If needed, it can also notify you via Telegram or Slack. But it doesn't stop there. The workflow could also check if the email is valid, enrich the user data with extra details from another API, like their location or social media profile. And depending on their form responses, it could automatically add a tag in your CRM, schedule a meeting in your calendar, or even start an automated email sequence. And all of this happens without you writing a single line of code. That's why n8n is such a powerful tool. You can set up a sequence of actions to automate tasks, saving you huge amounts of time and energy. It's an essential ally for your workflow strategies.